dollar américain reste défend le price.
Ladies and gentlemen, fellow traders, welcome to Jitney Trade TV. You're at Xtreme Xpiry for the month of November. My name is NYSE. I would like to share with you my passion for options and volatility. Now, let's go check out what we have on the economic calendar. On Monday, we have industrial production, capacity utilization. Tuesday, PPI in the housing index. Wednesday, we have the CPI and Secretary Paulson is giving a speech. Thursday, let's see, we have the leading indicators and the Philly Fed. And on Friday, quiet day in the States. In Canada, we have CPI. VIX, what has the VIX done in this past month? That vertical line you see was the last time we met. And the VIX right now is retracing its dizzying ascent. As expected, we warned you the other time that clearing rallies were to be expected. And right now we're pretty much where we left last month, which is around the previous lows. Let's go check out the Bollinger Bands for the VIX. Now, we noticed right away that the VIX is finally re-entering the Bollinger Bands. The envelope, the vertical range in the envelope is still at nosebleed levels, but it's under 100% right now versus over 100% last month. And please take into consideration like the average vertical range is around 40 to 50%. So one thing's for sure, there's compression that is working into the VIX right now. So this is something to keep in mind. Now when we look at the long-term quadrants, we defined not this summer, but the other summer in 07. Clearly the VIX is outside the long-term quadrant, but it is attempting to re-enter that quadrant. Put-call ratio, let's see if we have some sort of a sign of what's going on, but nope, to no avail. The put-call ratio right now on a weekly basis is completely neutral. Again, this is very strange. So either it is non-reliable or, you know, we have not seen extreme readings yet. On a daily basis, the picture is quite the same for the put-call ratio. Now, let's go check out NYSE internals. One thing that really pops right away is you see that red line. The advanced decline line is actually lagging the new high, new low line, which is sort of encouraging. When you look at the bullish percent index, we're really popping off the lows. That was the reason back in October we warned you that a clearing rally was possible because the bullish percent was really flirting with zero. When you look at the number of stocks on the NYSE that are trading under their 50-day MA, here also, I mean, we're still flirting with the zero line, which is absolutely mind-boggling. I've never seen this. Now let's go check out the Dow theory. Don't forget, remember when we talked about that non-confirmation between the trannies and the industrials? Also, when that trend line broke at 4,900, everything just collapsed. Where are we now? Well, basically, the trannies are putting up a brave fight. They absolutely have to hold these levels around 3,500, 3,400. This is absolutely crucial. They have to hold these levels. I cannot repeat it enough. At this point, it's like a 50% retracement. So back in October, we hypothesized that because of all the extreme reading on the internals, that a clearing rally was possible. We did see it. We pulled back. We came back to the exact same lows that we were back in October. but we're still here. Basically, we're still alive. So if the Chinese hold these levels right here, we could have the start of a massive rally. Now let's go check the USD. The USD, which has taken everybody by surprise, uh, except here at Jidney, I guess. Now, we said last time that a pullback was in order. We did see it. It was a very, very short-lived. The dollar's on a tear. Basically, it's on a tear, and we know why. It's a deflationary-induced rally. Now, right now, when we look at the weekly chart, we can see right away that we're running into a bit of a overhang at the 90-91 line. This is going to be pretty stiff resistance, and it's a safe bet that we're going to pull back from these levels. Are we going to reach it? I think we will. Now, interesting enough, gold did accompany for a short while in October the USD as a safe haven, but it just collapsed after that. Now, where is gold now? It's holding the line also at 700. As you can see, there's crucial levels all over the place. And when we look at the monthly picture on the USD now, that 90-91 resistance line really comes into focus. And you can see also that in the near future, there's a possibility that we could have a huge trading range into the 80-90 area. Now, what stocks do we have on the earnings watch list for expiry week? Now, we're pretty much at the tail end of earnings announcements, but on Monday we have Lowe's and Target. Tuesday there's Home Depot, Medtronic, Saks, George Weston in Canada. Wednesday we have Intuit, Mentor Graphics, Gaz Metro in Canada. Thursday, Autodesk, Dell, The Gap, Limited Brands, and Mosaic Technology in Canada, for those who follow it. And Friday, we have Ann Taylor, Heinz, and Sears Canada. As you can see, it's a pretty good week for retailers. Next time at Xtreme Xpiry, same old stuff. We'll check out the VIX commodity complex, some option strategies, and also we'll see what's happening with the USD. That's all for this time. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow traders, be careful out there.